Did you know that every year, around 2,000 people die from vending machine accidents? It's true. And here's another chilling fact. There are more fake flamingos in the world than real ones. Imagine that. Then there's the terrifying truth that the average person swallows 8 spiders in their sleep over a lifetime. But it gets worse. There are more than 200 corpses on Mount Everest, and they're used as waypoints for climbers. And if you think you're safe at home, consider this. 1 in 5 Americans will be diagnosed with a mental illness in their lifetime. It's a wild world out there, filled with eerie realities that make you think twice about the ordinary.